In today's class, we are going to be finding the perimeter of a rectangle. So just know that a rectangle has opposite sides that are equal. Remember in the last video, we know that a square has all sides are equal, but that's not the case for a rectangle. For a rectangle, only opposite sides are equal. So let's take a look. If I have a length, right, where that black line is at, my length is 2. And then my width is where that yellow line is at, and we're also saying that it's 2. But let's take a look at it. Is that black line the same size as the yellow line? No way. The yellow line is way longer than that black line. So that's how I know that my length and width cannot be the same numbers because they are two different sizes. Does that make sense? Okay, so if I have a length of 2, that means that the opposite side of that 2, which is all the way on the other side, that side also have to be 2 because they are opposite sides. My width, where you see the yellow line, the width at the top will be 5. That means the opposite side of that will be the bottom. That also have to be 5. So now I can add all of my sides because when we're finding the perimeter, you add all sides. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 5 is 10. 4 plus 10 is 14. So I get a total perimeter of 14. Does that make sense? Okay. All right. Let's do it again. Let's try it again. So we know that a rectangle has to have opposite sides that are equal. So if I have a length of 3 and a width of 5, that means that the other side has to be 3, and then my width of 5, the other side has to be 5 as well. Do you guys see that? Opposite sides. So it's the same number for the opposite side. So I'm going to add all of the numbers, and then I get a total perimeter of 16. Okay? P equals 16. That's perimeter equals 16. I hope that this is making a lot of sense. We're going to try another one. Let's try another one, okay? So a problem, right? They can give you a rectangle and they can give you one side length, okay? And sometimes they do that. They will give you one side length, okay, and one side width, okay? But just know that whatever side length they give you, the other side length has to be the same exact number. Whatever side width that they give you, the other side width have to be the same number. So in this case, they gave me a side length of 2. So I know the other side has to be 2. They gave me a side width of 3. So I know the other side width at the bottom has to be 3. So I filled in the blanks. So once I filled in the blanks, I can go ahead and add them, okay? I can go ahead and add them. So we have 2, 3, 3, and 2, right? So we're just going to add all the sides. So we are going to say 2 plus 2, right? And then we're going to do 3 plus 3. And we're just going to add all of them, right? So let me fix that. Okay, 3 plus 3. Yep. So now we're going to fix it. Okay, now add 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 4 plus 6 is 10. So our total perimeter is 10. P equals 10.